Live activities show real-time updates on your lock screen and dynamic island. I'll show 2 quick methods. Method 1 disables live activities for a single app so it stops sending updates. Open Settings from your home screen or app library to get started. Tap Notifications, then scroll to find the specific app whose live updates you want to stop. Select the app, locate live activities in its notification settings, and toggle it off. That app will no longer display live activities on your lock screen or dynamic island. Method 2 disables live activities system-wide if your iPhone has a global toggle in notifications. From notifications, look for a live activities switch near the top and turn it off to stop all apps. If you don't see a global toggle, repeat the per app step for any apps you want to silence. Lock your iPhone and verify the lock screen and dynamic island no longer show live updates. Quick recap: open Settings, Notifications, choose the app and turn off live activities, or use the system toggle if available. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tricks.